Well, a statement on the second KAMKUNJI protest, July 12, 2023. The second KAMKUNJI meeting got off to an excellent start and proceeded across the country. Kenyans have come out in their numbers in eastern, northeastern, coast, Nyanza, central, western, Rift Valley, and Nairobi. As we had said, Kenyans returned in the second wave of new masses, on board in search for better life for themselves. People are determined to decide for themselves how they are going to shape their day to lives, and now that they have been abandoned by their leaders. People have come out even in the most remote parts of the country to express their displeasure with the Ruto regime. The message is out loudly and clearly that Kenyans are tired. Watu wamechoka. Kenyans are tired. People are tired of new promises on top of old promises. People are tired of being ignored. People are tired of being told what to do and when to do it. People are tired of going to bed hungry, facing the new day hungry, and returning to bed hungry. People are tired of walking from one corner of this city to another, one town to another, one office to another, trying to find a job and finding no job.